Hello, dear 6th graders. How are you? I hope everything is fine with you. Let's talk about our last class. We learned about a little bit about circle. I will try to summarize everything here, and we're able to go ahead and work in more new stuff. Okay, let's go here, guys. Understand these things I explained to you. What is a circle? As I told you guys, a circle, it is a set of points equidistant from a given point called the center. What is equidistant, mister, means? It means same distance, okay? Center, what is a center? As you notice here, guys, I did it in class for you to be sure and understand this stuff. Here the center in green, it is the given point in which all points are the distance from. Okay, it is the center, it's the given point where all distance all points are the distance from. Okay, the points and the center will have this distance. Great. Radius in blue, the distance from the center to what? To any point on the circle. Okay, for real is the center to the edge. Okay, center to the edge. Okay. And diameter, what is diameter? The diameter is the distance across the circle, edge to edge. Through the center, the diameter is twice the radius. Remember, guys, radius, center to edge. Diameter, edge to edge, passing through the center. Okay? I think it's easy to understand this thing. Guys, I did some problems here. I think you remember this. I did all this one in the classroom. I'm not to repeat over this. And circumference. What is circumference? Guys, circumference is the circle perimeter. Okay? It's the distance around the circle. Summarizing perimeter of a circle. But mister, how can we find it? We need to use the formula. The formula is 2 times pi number times radius. But what is a pi number? Pi number. Let's think about. Okay, pi number, guys, as I told you in the classroom, and I think you remember, is a ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. It is the pi number. Okay, it's a given number. Great, just think about it. It's a given number. Never change it. But remember, ratio of the circumference of a circle is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Great. This ratio remains constant for all circles. Doesn't matter. All circles has the same ratio. Great. And pi number is approximately 3.14. Or if you want to use a fraction, 22/7. It's up to you. Great. Here is the pi number. Great, guys. I think you understand what is it. Let's go ahead and figure out more stuff. Here I solve in the classroom, guys, some examples about the circumference. I will solve, let me see, I will pick one application here, one hard one. Number 11, about circumference. Guys, number 11 here, I have the radius. Okay, the radius I have already, and the formula it is circumference equals 2 times radius times pi number. Great. Let's go ahead here. 2 I have already. Radius it is 5.5 times pi number. Pi number, as you remember, is 3.14. Okay, mister, 3.14. Let's go. 2 times 5.5, guys, 11. 11 times 3.14. 11 times 3.14. Okay, let's do it. I'll do the opposite. 3.14 first and 11 here. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Plus 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Let's add everything. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3 here. How many decimal places do I have? 2. 1, 2. 34. The perimeter, guys, it is 34.54 what? Centimeters. What is it, mister? Is the distance around the circle. Okay, all this distance here I'm doing in purple. As you can see, it starts here and ends here. Great. All the distance around the circle, it is the circumference or perimeter, as we know. Great. This other one, guys, I have the diameter. I know the formula: 2 times radius times pi number. And guys, 2 times radius, I know is diameter. Oh, mister, diameter times pi number. Yes, it's another way to give our formula, okay? Here it is, 48 times 3.14. Let's do it, 48, 3.14. Great. Here, 4 times 8, 32, carry 3. 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, 19, carry 1. Oh, 1 here. Nice. Plus 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. Right now in the hundredths here. 3 times 8, it is 24. Carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2, 14. Great. Let's add everything. 2, 9 plus 8, it is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. It is 5 and 1 here. How many decimal places? 2. 150.72 what? Inches. Great, guys. Here's the solution for this problem. Guys, here, let me figure out, number 13. Our circular garden has a radius of 8 feet. Look at the information, okay? 8 feet. If a landscaper is edging the garden, how many feet will he edge? Guys, when we edge a garden, it is the perimeter. Oh, the perimeter. Okay, I know my radius. Right here, the information, the radius is 8 feet. Great, I figured out the answer. Let's use the formula: 2 times pi number times radius. And here it is, 2 times 8 times 3.14. 2 times 8, 16. It is 16 times 3.14. 16 times 3.14, guys. I will use calculator. We going fast this one. 16 times 3.14. It is 50.24. 50.24. 50.24 what? Feet. Great, guys. Here we're talking about circumference. Let's go ahead and talk about area. What is the area? Area, guys, is the amount of space occupied by a circle. We learned about the area before. Area is the amount of space occupied by the figure. Great. The area here, right now we're talking about circle. And we need to use again the radius. Radius is the number we needed over here. What is the formula, mister? Area for any kind of circle, doesn't matter the size. It is pi number times radius square. Radius square means radius times radius. We learned about that, the exponents, remember? Great. Here is the formula to figure out and find the circle area. I solved this one in the classroom, I think you remember. I will solve a new one here, number 5. Guys, number 5, remember the formula. Area equals pi number times radius square. Great. Pi number I know is 3.14. Radius square, it is 5 times 5. My radius is 5. 5 square. 5 square, it is 25, mister. Oh, yes, 25. Let's solve this one. 3.14 times 25, it is 5 times 4, 20, carry 2, 5 times 1, 5, plus 2, 7, 5 times 3, 15. Great. Plus 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. And here it is 0. 7 plus 8, it is 15. Carry 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. And 1 plus 6 is 7. How many decimal places? 2. 2 here. 78.5 what? Inches. Great. 78.5 inches. Great, guys. Very easy. Mister, I don't want to have a diameter. Remember, use the form for diameter equals 2 times radius. My diameter, 48 miles. 48 times 2 are. Which number times 2 is 48? Yes, guys, the radius is 24. 24 miles. Right now, I need to choose this 24. Great. Let's go ahead here. The area equals pi number times radius square. Pi is 3.14. Radius square, it is 24 square. Oh, mister, this is so hard. Okay, let's use calculator. 24 times 24, that's the meaning for 24 square, it is 576. Times 3.14, because it is our pi number. Oops, not 314, 3.14. Okay, nice. It is 1808.64. 1808.64. It is our area, guys. Area for this circle. And what unit? The unit here, it is miles square. Why miles square, mister? Because we're talking about the amount of space. This is miles square. Great, guys. And just for you remember, I have some application here. So it is so easy, the application, guys. We can do it over here. Like number 8. A lighthouse beam makes a circle that reaches 50 miles from the lighthouse. Find the area lit by the lighthouse beam. Great, guys. Here we know the lighthouse beam makes a circle that reaches 15 miles from the lighthouse. Great. It's a big circle. Find the area lit by the lighthouse beam. This one, 15 miles, guys, just for you notice and be sure to understand this one, we need first to think about it. Oops, let me just open this stuff here, guys. Just for you understand this stuff, I will explain to you how can we figure out this situation. Important, guys, you understand. What do we have here? As I told you, we have here lighthouse, and here 15, it is the radius. It's the radius, okay, guys? It is the radius. Radius, it is 15 miles. Great. And let's work. Area equals pi times radius square. It is 15 square times 3.14. 15 square, let's return to our calculator. It is 15 times 15, 225 times 3.14. It is 706 and a half. 706 and a half what? Miles square. Great. Very easy to understand this stuff. Guys, the last thing, when we have a semicircle, what is a oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Semicircle, what is it, guys? It's a half of a full circle. When I'm looking for the area for a semicircle, I use the formula as usual. Area equals pi number times radius square. But it's a half, it's a semicircle. You divide it by 2. Don't forget to divide it by 2 using the formula, okay? Because it's a half circle. Okay, mister. The pi number, 3.14. The radius square, in this case here, is 3 times 3. 3 square. It will be 9. Let me use it here. 9 times 3.14. It is 28.26. Mister, I think you are missing one thing. Yes, dividing by 2. Dividing by 2, guys. Why? Because the same circle. It's not a full circle, it's a half. And divided by 2. And 14.13. Oh, nice. The area for the same circle is 14.13. What, Mr. Feet square? This is 2 area. Great, guys. Here we finish our class. If you have any doubt, any question, please let me know. I'm here to help you, okay? See you later. Bye. Mwah. Love you.